Are you struggling to reach your target audience and drive sales? With so many marketing channels available, it can be tough to know where to focus your efforts. But if you're not already using email marketing, you could be missing out on a huge opportunity. In this video, we'll explain the basics of email marketing and show you how to use it to connect with your audience, increase engagement, and drive sales. We'll cover everything from building an email list and crafting compelling email content to tracking your results and optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact. First, we'll talk about the importance of building an email list. Without a list of subscribers who have opted in to receive your emails, you won't have anyone to send your campaigns to. We'll share tips for building a high-quality list, including how to create lead magnets and use landing pages to encourage sign-ups. Next, we'll discuss the key components of a successful email campaign. You'll learn how to craft compelling subject lines that get your emails opened, write engaging email content that keeps your subscribers interested, and include calls to action that encourage them to take action. We'll also cover best practices for email design and layout, including how to use images, colors, and typography to make your emails visually appealing and easy to read. And we'll show you how to segment your list and personalize your emails to increase engagement and conversions. Finally, we'll talk about tracking and optimizing your email campaigns. By monitoring your open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics, you can identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your results over time.
Conclusion. Email marketing is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and growing your business. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can create effective email campaigns that engage your subscribers, drive sales, and build long-lasting relationships with your customers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to reach your target audience and drive business growth with email marketing.